Let's do another example with impulse momentum theorem. This is example problem 2 from the chapter 9 notes. It's on slide number 52 of the chapter 9 online notes slide deck. In this particular problem, a 500 kilogram rocket sled, I'll explain what that is in a second, is coasting at a speed of 20 meters per second. It then turns on its rocket engines for 5 seconds with a thrust of 5 newtons. What is its final speed? So it fires rockets with a thrust of 1,000 newtons for 5.0 seconds. What is its final speed? Again, we have the mass and velocity of an object at a starting condition. We want to know what its velocity is at an ending condition. So this is a question about the momentum of the object. And a force is applied to that object. So we can use the impulse momentum theorem again. J equals delta P. We have m is 500 kilograms. The initial velocity is 20 meters per second. The final velocity is what we're looking for. And there is a force applied, and this time we're told a constant value of that force of 1,000 newtons for a time period of 5 seconds. So the impulse is F delta T is mvf minus mvi. Again, that's just the change in the momentum of this one particular object. We can put our values in. 1,000 newtons times 5 seconds equals 500 times Vf minus 500 times 20. And again, this is just like the problem with the hockey stick and the hockey puck. I now can rearrange this. I have 500 Vf equals 5,000. That's the impulse. That's the 1,000 newtons of thrust times 5 seconds, plus 10,000, which is the initial momentum of the rocket sled. The rocket sled is literally what it sounds like. It's a thing that has got a rocket engine on it but slides across the ground, and so it can be used for testing high-speed collisions and things like that on the ground. So this gives me 500. Vf is 5,000 plus 10,000, which is 15,000, which gives me Vf is 15,000 divided by 500, which is 30 meters per second. So this particular rocket sled speeds up from 20 meters per second to 30 meters per second over the course of this 5 seconds of the rocket engines firing.